Thinking about moving from the USA to Germany. Germany is one of the top international relocation destinations for Americans, offering a high quality of life, excellent healthcare, and a rich cultural experience. But moving internationally is no small feat, and it requires planning, expertise, and the right team to help you with every step of the process. International moving is an exciting but complex journey. From the logistics of transporting your belongings to navigating customs regulations, the process can be daunting. You might think you can handle everything on your own, but when it comes to relocating overseas, choosing a professional team is essential. You'll have personal belongings that need careful handling, like your vehicle, furniture, family heirlooms, and important documents. From packing and shipping to customs clearance and final delivery, we handle it all. Our international moving services include: our team will work with you to create a customized moving plan tailored to your specific needs and budget. Moving overseas requires more than just a truck. It requires knowledge, experience, and reliable resources. Here's why having a professional team on your side is crucial. Our team is equipped with the expertise to ensure your belongings arrive safely and on time. Get in touch with us today for a free moving quote and to learn more about how we can help you relocate from the USA to Germany. 3 Guys with a Truck, your trusted moving partner.